Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm just going to do a recap video of the entire Citroen Berlingo camper van, from cleaning to the camper van conversion. So the conversion was started on the 23rd of June, and we finished it on the 13th of August. Thereabouts. Now I have actually just done a few more bits on it, little tiny bits, but we'll cover that in the end of the episode. So what's that taken then? 2 months pretty much to do the cleaning and the camper van conversion. Now it wasn't 2 months of flat out work. I'd say it was, I'm putting it in as 4 full weeks, 4 39-hour weeks, which would be 156 hours to do the cleaning and the camper van conversion for a Citroen Berlingo. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go back and recap on the whole process. I'm not going to speak in it, I'm just going to show you the whole process from start to finish, and I hope you enjoy it. So just in case any of you haven't actually seen the camper van conversion so far, it's 2006 Citroen Berlingo. It was my dad's work van since it was new pretty much, and I got it off him just as a little bit of a project during the lockdown. Cleaned it up, and when it was cleaned up didn't really have any use for it, so decided to turn it into a camper van. And now that it's finished, I'm going to move it on. To be honest with you, I don't really have a need for a second car, don't really want a second car. I like the camper van idea, don't really have time to do that kind of stuff, to be honest with you, so I'm going to move it on. So this is a recap of the whole process. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the end. So I just said what I do is go over the cost of the actual camper van conversion for anybody that's interested in doing this kind of thing. So the van, the actual cost of it was €500. Now it was my dad's work van, so he'd spent a lot of money on it himself, got a lot of work done on it. A lot of stuff was spent on it before I got it, so very good value for that. Then the actual cost of the conversion, so plywood was 115, miscellaneous bits and bobs, 2x1, all the stuff for the sink, piano hinges, the wheel foot pump was €38, the vinyl flooring was 80, the carpet and the high temp adhesive with shipping and VAT was €100. Pretty much everything. You can have a little scroll through it there, or freeze the video and have a look, but the actual total cost of the van conversion, including the price of the van, so the camper van conversion cost €1,237 and 97 cents. So that's kind of what you're expecting to spend converting a Citroen Berlingo into a camper van. So you're getting a nice, good quality camper van in the end of it, the micro stealth camper van, and you pick up a Citroen Berlingo, fairly decent one for not too much money really, so not bad really, fairly cheap camper van.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometime I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love, hey, hey. If I want something, I got it, hey, hey. Oh baby, I don't need love me, hey, hey. Cause your love, I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not about, let me be myself. want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself.
Mom, I need to wee. Do you need my hand, sweetie?
So we've got to do a little tour of the van, just show you set it up for camping mode, show you how it works. At the moment now you're in day mode, so you got your sink and your bed, and your camping stuff there, and cook and stuff. At night time what you want to do is we've got to fold out the bed, but to do that we've got to put the two front seats forward and we can extend it all out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this front seat forward so it folds and flips up. Folds down and it flips up. And then what we need to do is push this seat forward and just incline it up a little bit. Now we're ready for camping mode. So in order to camping mode, we extend the bed out. So to do that, we just have to open this door. And these flip up. We've got some special hinges underneath here that actually support the weight of the bed. Then we flip this out. And that's your full width of a small double. And then just to extend the bed out finally, there's a little latch here that supports the end of the headrest, and it flips out then to the full extension, and that is now a small double bed. And then for at night time, just jump in. We've got the curtain up here, so all we do is just release these two latches and the curtain will flip down. There's two little bits of velcro here, and then there's two pieces here, just stick them onto the side of the vent. And we just took the curtain around there like that. And now you're ready for camping at night time.
Turn the lights on.
Yeah, you can actually then, when you're camping at night time, you can turn your lights on with the little switch. You can wash your hands with the sink, brush your teeth, all the kind of basics. And when you want to go to bed, just turn your lights off. And close up the van. So then in the daytime when you're getting up in the morning, first thing you've got to do is you've got to roll up your curtain again. So just detach it from the walls and then velcro it back up here like this. And then what we do is just fold it up and roll it up. Well, it takes a couple of minutes. It's pretty simple. Just roll up the bed then with the curtain. And then what we do is just attach it on with the little clasps again. See there, that didn't take that long at all just to put the curtain up, and then just fold your extensions back and put your little catch in, and then what you need to do is there's two little levers here, put your hands under and you pull the levers up, and then the hinge, the extensions fold down
flush. And then what you can actually do is you can close your door, and that holds the bed. Not rattling around when you're travelling. And then all you need to do is just fold your bed back up. And put your seats back to normal, and you're ready to go. So that's one seat done. And just recline your seat back to the way you like it. And you're ready to go again. And that's it. Close her up and off you go on your adventure.
Thanks for watching and following the whole process, guys. I hope you liked the video. Now for anybody that wants a little bit more detail, maybe go back and check the videos on the channel. Thanks very much for watching and following the videos. Now if you do actually want to ask me some questions, I know I've had a few people send me some comments in the comment section on YouTube, but if you actually want a little bit more detail, you can actually contact me on sdavidbarber@gmail.com. That's my personal email address for YouTube. I will get back to you and help you with anything that you need in regards to either cleaning or doing the camper van conversion on one of these vans. So thanks for watching. That's got to be the end of this series, the Citroen Berlingo camper van series. It's been good. I've enjoyed it. Learned quite a lot from it. If I do another camper van, the skill set I'm going to bring along with me towards doing that is going to be a lot better than just going into the walking in the blind like I did with this one. Recapping on a lot of my skills that I'd lost in the past as well. I haven't done any kind of building work in that kind of length of time, so it's been nice to kind of get back to a little bit of something I used to do. So if you do like the videos and the content, please share it with your friends and family. The channel's not very big at the moment. I think it's only 69 or 70 subscribers, so if you can push the video out there to your friends and family, please do. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Take care.